That's amazing.
His petals closely, darling. It's got a rufous color on its belly. Darling, they're mainly insect eaters. Look at that big nail.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Look at the size of these fangs. These are not related to the Asia, making sure that the poison is cleansed.
Why don't you get maybe you should eat a frog that's not poisonous.
And then he swallows it.
Yeah, look.
The interesting thing is how he can tell that the poison is gone. That's his best breakfast.
Then he kills him dead. I guess he didn't do it long enough, right? That's pretty.
Yeah, that's what the elephants have destroyed.
They do a lot of damage.
They surely do. And then blacksmith it up with light. The lilac-breasted roller.
I guess because it's lilac.
Yeah, it's
It's not just lilac. Yeah, when you get in the profile.
Fish don't have a helmet like on top of their head.
I thought that'd be tasty.
Yeah. But you never know. We still have two camps ahead of us. You never know.
Chocolate that whole tray. There you go. Yeah, there, switch them. Oh yeah, my beautiful bird. Oh, saddlebill. Gotta turn towards you. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. You get up close, right?
I got the green one.
Look at that whole wide angle in this one. Some kind of a...
But the ones that are flying lower, those are the vultures.
Those are short?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second.
That solitary one is a vulture also?
No, this is an eagle.
What is that?
The bachelor eagle.
Bachelor eagle?
Yeah, bachelor. spend a lot of their foraging time on the ground, but they can fly. They feed on rats, frogs, small snakes, beetles, worms.
That's a great shot. So you can tell the difference between male and female?
Yeah, the male. This is the male up front. The male have more red than the female.
Oh, there's a fourth one. To your left, way back.
Keeps getting closer. That's great.
So this could.
He's eating something. Okay.